Hi guys, it's with marketingacm.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm going to show you a website and an app that you're going to be receiving text messages, SMSs on your phone and get paid. This is available worldwide, guys. It's free to join. You just receive SMSs and text messages and you get money. So this is what I'm going to show you. Sounds really nice. It's very nice way, very simple. You don't have to do anything. It's passive income coming in, and I'm going to explain every single detail in just a second. Before we go ahead and start this video, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button following the right side of this video, because it would be a great honor to have you on my channel. It would be meaning a lot to me. And next to it is a bell icon. Click next to it so you can receive a notification about the upcoming videos I release for you on how you can make money online from the comfort of your house. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. Really excited to show you this one. The website you need to visit is called mcmoneyapp.com. You can click on the link below so you can receive the link and go directly to this website. And what mcmoneyapp.com does is what is a telecommunication company, as far as I understand, and they help telecommunication companies all around the world to improve the way of connecting and the communication between users. That's why they want the messages to go out to be received on different devices. This is actually working just on Android, guys. This is for Android devices. It's worldwide, but it's Android devices only. And through the Android devices, once the SMSs are received, they can get some kind of feedback that is delivered. That's the only thing they want to do. You don't need to reply or anything like that. You're not going to be charging for replying back. It's just receiving the text messages. So a little bit more detail about what is MC Money. Earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. All you have to do is receive text message on your mobile phone once in a while. You see, it's only for Android. You can click here to download the app, or you can directly look for it on your Android store. What is MC Money? By letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply said, you help us help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your MC bank account. Talking about real money, the threshold, guys, in order to get the money is $1. So it's really good. I'm really sure that a lot of you are gonna like this, because once you have $1, you can retrieve it to your account. So you can earn cash by just install the app. We send you random SMS message once in a while. You will earn money for each received text from us. It works on Android. It's an Android only app, because Android allows us to process the results of the SMS text message we send to your phone. It's secure. It's extremely safe and secure for your use. Guys, I checked around and I received really good feedback about this. And the only thing they sent you is gonna be SMS with just some random characters. Mostly it's numbers following by some letters, and that's it. You can delete it at any time, so you can see. Don't want to receive message for a while, just disable the Mac Money app, Mac Money apps, yes, and for a while in the settings. You may delete the text as soon as you receive it, no need to store it, and the messages do not contain any meaningful text but only some random characters. And if you keep scrolling down, you can see more details about specific questions. But guys, it's available worldwide. Just some SMS coming to your phone. All you need to do is receive the SMS and you get money out of it. It doesn't matter how much it is. It's free money coming to you. So why not utilize this? It's worldwide available. Go ahead. It's free to join. Give it a shot. I'm sure that you're going to love it. Why not give it a shot? This is what I wanted to show you guys today. I think it's an amazing website, an amazing way to make money, passive income, just out of this amazing app, just to receive a few messages every now and then, random. And when you want, once you have $1 in your account, you can just go ahead, request the money, and it comes to your account directly. This is what I want to show you guys. I hope you like the content of this video. If you do, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to check out my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online, make sure you click the link below. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have an amazing day ahead. Start making some money. Stay tuned for the next videos. I'll see you soon. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. So thank you so much. Bye bye.